Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Friday, I was going to say December, November the 23rd. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. This is the link, email address you can use to ask me any questions. This is a link to get into our free room. This is a subscription link. Actually, in the body of this email, you will see a promo code. Black Friday 25, all in capital letters. That's for 25% off either the first month of a standard or premium subscription or the entire year of a standard or premium subscription. And again, as always, if you take out a subscription today, if you start off with, say, a standard subscription, if you decide that you want to upgrade, say, from standard to premium or from monthly to yearly, you can do so and we will honor the promo code as long as you do it within 30 days. So by December the 22nd. Now, I actually wasn't going to do a video today, but it's actually kind of an interesting day. Way more interesting than I thought it would be on a half day. But, you know, I should never be surprised. We always seem to be able to find things to trade no matter what the conditions are. You know, a half day doesn't really matter. And I didn't think we get a lot of traders in the room. We actually had a few traders in the room. So anyway, let's take a look at what I did today. So this TIS was super active in the pre-market. It had a actually had a pop. I don't really even see the news. Doesn't really matter what the news is, but it did have a little after hours pop on Wednesday, followed through this morning. That's at so there's the after hours action on Wednesday. Of course, the market was closed on Thursday, and then here we have the action in the pre-market, the 10 area. I actually ended up taking this trade right here at about 212, and I sold most of it up here at 239, and so that basically set the tone for the day for me. Now, CNQ. We talked about this trade quite a bit. This is something I'm not short anymore, but this is an energy trade, energy sector trade, obviously. And I just have to find the SPY, okay? Just one second. I just want to show you the SPY chart. Actually, it wasn't so much that, well, okay, here's XLE. So this is the energy sector, one of the ETFs for the energy sector. So if, oh, sorry, don't have my symbol linking done here. Okay, so let's click on this again, XLE. So you can see this candle right there. If you look at CNQ, basically the same candle right there. So what was happening is, of course, the energy sector was being really beaten up today. You know, some of the stocks had a little bit of a pop once the market opened. Like right here, you can see a little bit of a pop. This is a 15-minute candle, a little bit of a pop. But the energy sector really beaten up. And our oil's at the lows now, and so obviously the energy sector was definitely one to watch. But like always, unless a stock is completely trading on its own, you know, CNQ did not have any news today or anything like that. It's basically going to track the sector. So when I got into this short right here, I was saying that was 25.87. 25.87. So when it broke down through the whole number, of course, I was watching XLE at the same time because any sort of upward move in XLE would have probably moved this up. So that's very important, is to, if you're in a stock, should know what sector it's in. If it's not trading on its own, and again, when I mean that, I mean it doesn't have any specific news today for it. It is probably more or less going to match the sector, then follow the sector and, you know, track it very closely. So anyway, bottom line is I was able to get out most of this right around here, 25.52 from this short up here at 25. That's not quite 85, but that's close enough. And what I was saying in the room is that actually was 87. So I had at most a 13-cent stop on that. So that was almost a 39-cent gain, which is a 3-to-1. Okay, so that's certainly what we're looking for. And you know, I got out of it all, and now it looks like it's dropping again. And if you look at XLE, my guess is that it is dropping. Yes, you see that candle right there. So anyway, That was there was a lot of activity though, especially in the energy sector today. A ton of activity, and one unbelievable one, Overstock, which announced I think a sale of a part of their business, and that one just kept moving higher and higher and higher all day long. It just goes to show that even though the market was only open half a day, there are still with trade ideas we can always find stocks to trade. All right, well, I just want to wish all my American U.S. Friends, I'm a Canadian in case people don't know, again, happy Thanksgiving. Of course, yesterday was Thanksgiving. Today is Black Friday. So a lot of people probably took today off anyway. But the market is only open half a day today, so that's why I'm doing this this video a little bit early. So have a great rest of Friday and have a great weekend. I'll open the market. I wish I'll open the room at 9 o'clock Eastern time, like always. So have a great weekend, everybody. And let me just bring back my capture program, and don't forget the promo code. Now that promo code will be good for sure only until 11:59 Sunday night. Okay, 11:59 Eastern time. So know the time zone you're in. I know I always say that, but you'd be amazed how many people say, hey, I tried the code and it's not working. Well, they might be on the West Coast or some other time zone, and they're trying it, say at 10, say if you're on the West Coast, 10 at night, Sunday night, the code has expired. So anyway, have a great long weekend, and we'll see you in the trading room Monday morning. Bye-bye.